welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the colorful brick clownfish in Heartopia. So you will need to start the special, what is it called? Special Brickfish Event. You will need 20 brick tickets. I did another video on how you can obtain that. But basically you're going to start it and you're just going to start fishing and you will just get the fish. No extra phases needed. I think they made this event easier without having the extra and secret phases for the fishing events, the insect events as well. So you're just going to want to fish it. The shadow will be very small. It's just a black shadow. And you will get the colorful fish. Nope, colorful brick clownfish. Oh my gosh, that is a handful. Okay, anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!